Welcome back to Always Learning. What are we doing today? Well, today we're learning how to retread or reglue some shoes. I had these shoes, these Keens. I've had them for about 15 years. We're getting ready to go on a float trip on the Bighorn in Colorado. And anyway, instead of getting a new pair, we're only going to wear them for 2 hours. So I was going to just fix these. I've got the E6000. I went and just wiped down this with a Clorox wipe. Looks like there's dirt still coming out of it. So anyway, they're pretty clean. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and use the E6000, put it everywhere, make sure I get it in the corners here. And then I'm also doing it inside because it's about 9,000 degrees outside. So all I'm gonna do is try to get it along these edges. I did it here with something a couple years ago and it held up pretty good, but I'm just basically going around and getting it right along anywhere there's an edge. And then I'm going to do the outside of the shoe, or the other side of the shoe. So I really don't care what it looks like. If I get a little out of it on the outside, I don't really care. I'm going for just it working rather than anything else. Just run the bead along there. Try not to get it on my hands. And then put it in the middle here. Probably should have started there. That would have made the most sense. And then get it right there on the sole. Kind of got it just smeared everywhere. It's on my hands. So that's probably the best thing. As usual, it'll wear off, or gasoline will take it off. So now that I got it on there, I'm just going to kind of press it in. Make sure I've got a good seal everywhere. Getting it nice and tight. If I don't, I'm going to put a little in there. Like I said, you could always kind of wipe it off. This stuff's supposed to be, I think, flexible. So, looking pretty good. Wasn't too bad. All right, this time I'm gonna put the middle first so then I don't get it all over my hands. I wipe that off with Clorox and it's still pretty sandy. So, all right, let's get the tube. This one's probably going to be better because that's really a better idea, is to get it all up in, get up in the inside first. Do the side. Get this side. You're just really kind of like, I mean, you could get a caulking gun almost if this stuff came in a caulking tube. I'm gonna try to get in these little crevices here. Nothing else. I think it might just help seal it. All right, just gonna kind of keep playing with it until it sets up a little more. What's it sell? What does it say? 3 hours, 5 hours now. Allow 24 hours for maximum bond strength, and then may not be reached till 72. So, okay, well, we'll let her set up and we'll get back to you. Like I said, I'll see what it looks like after 24 hours. But it's getting pretty tacky, so I'm kind of hopeful Pretty sure that's what I used last time, and the sole held up. I just kind of put it on the sole. I didn't put it everywhere. And now that I'm putting it everywhere, I kind of feel like got a better chance for success. Like I said, they only have to hold for about 2 hours.
All right, so here we are, 3 days later, and this is E6000. It is on there tight. I went back and added a little bit more product along the seams where there was a little bit of a gap because it had sunken into the sole, but it is flexible and holding really well. So we'll see once I'm out in Colorado hiking for a couple of days, but looks like it's gonna do it. No gap so far. So anyway, there it is. That's all you got to do.